The next thing that I want to add to the sales page is this text right here that's right underneath the headline. And this text here is where I highlight the problems that my customers may be having. So let me just quickly read it here. It says, trying to end your struggle with finding the right online business opportunity, blah, blah, blah. And it says here, stress may have already gotten the best of you. Maybe you have spent hours searching the internet for opportunities. And it ends with, and they all left you with frustrating results. So this section right here, I'm going to put onto the sales page. So this is what I just completed. I've put this headline here, and underneath that, on this template, there's a button here where it says, yes, I want instant access now. So there's a buy button here, and this actually looks good. And I think I'm going to, instead of just deleting it, removing it, I'm going to keep it there for now, and I'm just going to create a new section here. So I'm just going to click here, add new section. And now I'm going to add a new row and make it one column. Okay, add new element. And instead of selecting headline, I could go with paragraph. Or let's see, text area. And I think I'll go with paragraph. Now I'm going to go back to my Word document. Okay, copy the first couple of sentences. Okay, and just increase the font size. I'll make it 22. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to paste on here are the bullet points. So I'm going to click on add new element, and instead of selecting paragraph, I'm going to go to a bullet list. Okay, let me see if I could just copy and paste all the bullet points onto here. No, you can't. Okay, so I'm just going to do it individually. Let me just do it again here. Okay, and I believe you should be able to change the icons here. So instead of just a check mark, if you want, you could change it to something else. So let me just see if I can do that here. List type, icon list. I can make it an ordered list, so 1, 2, 3. But if I go to icon list, maybe I could go to themes, and I could change the look. So if I select this, let's see what happens. There you go. So this one looks a lot better. I'll go with this. And if I go to advanced, let's see what my options are here. I guess you could pick these icons, but I'm just going to skip this for now. I don't want to take too long showing you how to put some bullet points on the sales copy here. And let me just increase the size of the font. And the last thing to add is the last sentence of this section. So I'm going to add new element, paragraph, and just paste the sentence onto here and just format it. And there you go. So when I'm done that, just click on save.